Here you make $50. Here you make $200. Here you make $500. Yes, you can make money by only opening an email. Yes, you can make that kind of amount per day, per week, per month, per year. Yes, you can make this amount in every day. Yes, you can. For that, you can watch this video till the end, because I show you a tips and tricks to make more money from this method. If you skip this video, you can cut out and you don't make any penny from this method. So go to Google and type vendor research. Yeah, this is website which we are going to use to make money only opening emails. Yeah, here they are saying that get paid to take surveys online. Yeah, they have provided us to take surveys to make online and email options. So we are here to earn from emails. You can see here that easy online surveys, hundreds of paid surveys and added daily. Yes, you can earn daily from these options, and they have paid millions of dollars. Yes, and you can get paid on PayPal and any device. If you are using mobile phone, don't worry, you can make money from this website. And here you can see that take paid survey and redeem your earning by PayPal and earn that amount. Yeah, they are giving us. So let's see the ways of earning from this website. So here you can see that you can get paid by surveys and you can get paid by refer any people, any your friend, and get $5 or each friend refer. Yeah, you can earn from these options easily if you have a good network of friends. And here is the option which we are here for, that earn cash for every email you open. Yeah, whenever you open any email, you will make $50 to $200 from this. And the last options way they given us that watch paid videos and give feedback to earn money from this website. Yeah, it's totally easy, but the sign up process of this website is very difficult. So for sign up process, you have to watch this video till the end. So click here sign up. Whenever you click here, you come upon this window. This congratulations to made you have. So here you can see that they have given us that you can make $25. But here is a tip: you follow this video, you can make $50 per email you open. Yeah, and here you can see that they are giving us that provide us email address, first name, last name, select address and apt or suit, and postal code and country. Here is important that they provide us only United States, Canada, United Kingdom and Australia. And don't worry if you are from outside of these countries. For example, you are from Bangladesh, Pakistan, India, Philippines, Ukraine and other countries, you can pay from this website. And click here gender, male or female, and ethnicity of that. Create password and confirm and click here yes. So here we can see that if you are outside of from these countries, you go to Google and type random list. Yeah, here you come upon this website that random list. It going to give you a address. So click here show all, and at the end you can see the addresses. So whenever you click here and you are from here, so click here random country. So whenever you come upon here, you can click here addresses and you can which country you want address for that. So we want London, click London, and here you can see that they have given us 8 addresses that we can use for. So click this link. You can take these address and come upon this website and type everything. Yeah, whenever you complete this process, you will come upon the next step where you provide your new members and content that you can provide. Only click next and next to earn that. And the third last, that confirm your email address and get started making money. So yeah, this is totally simple website to make money online by only opening the email. So that's all for today. If you like this video, share this video and comment down which process you like most and what kind of videos you like most. I will definitely make videos for you. So thanks for watching.